Hey guys, today I got a slime packet and yeah, right in the video, by the way, my boyfriend proposed to me in the shop, so if you haven't seen that video, it'll be up right, and I'm so tired because I wake up at 5 a.m. a lot earlier. So let's get some magic happening. I have a slime package here. So, okay, first slime I pull out is this one. It's called, I don't know what it's called. It's in a little container. That's because I have one of these and yeah. So, yeah. Something happened. I don't know what happened. So yeah, let's get to the slime package. I'll need a little bit help. Thank you. Why is it all watery? Shout out to you guys. I gave some slime. Might be arriving tomorrow. Guess what? I put some slime in your little boxes. I had like a big batch. So that's it. Slime package. So I hope you enjoyed. Wait. Did you see my thing, guys? Did you see it? My thing is like literally getting better. See it? Do you see it? Yeah. Love you guys. Oh, by the way, I need to text my husband.